Hi guys. Today I'm going to start my tutorial session with Captura. Captura is a screen capture program where you can actually do the same things like you're just watching right now. Capture screen videos and yeah, send them to wherever you want to send them right now. This is what I'm doing is for Utopian for having a tutorial about this cool open source tool that we are having there. Um, it is done by Matthew Sachin and it's completely on GitHub. So either you can just search it like I'm doing right now in Google and then go to GitHub link here. And then you can see this is the project. It's quite recent. Well, it's not super recent, but he's obviously working still on it. And then you can go to the releases tab and just can download the most recent version, which is the version 6.01, which is released on 6th of November. As you can see, I've already done this. So then you're firing up the installation, and then you select your language that you need. It's a super small tool. The install file is only, as you can see, 1.8 megabyte in size, which is super small. And then yeah, 2 seconds later actually Captura is already installed and ready to run. This is what we're going to do. And then I need to move this to my main screen. And then it's quite easy. What happens is you have a super easy interface here. There is one thing to say additionally, if you have never done a video capturing with your device, with your PC that you are installing this on, it may be that you need to install the FFmpeg codecs, which you can easily do just by pushing this button. So you need to go to configure FFmpeg and say download FFmpeg, and then you simply start the download. I've already installed them, therefore this makes no sense, but you just simply start the download. Oh, Counter-Strike is opening up. You simply hit the start download button and then FFmpeg gets installed. This is the one thing that you have to be careful about, because without them it won't work. The other thing is quite easy explained. You can here select clearly what screen you want to have, if it's either only audio, region, a window, or screen based. And then you can say, okay, I'm having two displays now on my computer, obviously. And you can say if you want to have display 1, display 2, or both, which means the combined full screen. You can also have a webcam input additionally. Since I got none, this is I cannot do anything here. And then you can say which output you want to have, and therefore this FFmpeg codec is important, because else you won't get none. Then you can say, okay, what kind of frame rate do you want to have? It only cranks up to 30, which is quite low. And I would always crank it up to there. And then you can say quality, and then you can say, okay, where do you get the tone from, the audio? Do you want to have also in the desktop audio included, and in what quality? So this is quite easy, and this is only for screenshots, the screenshot location. And then you can configure a lot of things. Actually, this is quite convenient because it's the hotkeys for the starting and stopping of recording, resuming, pausing, and so on. So you can have hotkeys as well. The webcam, you can place the screen where the webcam will be displayed. Sadly, I cannot do that right now because I simply have no webcam that I can show here. And yeah, well, that's basically it. So this is quite straightforward. and it's really easy to use because you just hit the record button and then more or less you're done with it. Um, yeah, so I think now, roughly explained, um, you know how to install this tool and you know basically how to use it. If you want to see more, like additional features and whatever, um, you can always text me in the comments below this link, and then I will release an additional video tutorial about Captura, then actually done with Captura, but it's quite hard to capture the install process if you already have the tool installed. So I did this with another tool. Um, but yeah, I quite like Captura a lot because it features really easy to use functions, and it's not it's not very hard to deal with, and it delivers quite good results. So yeah, if you search for something easy, then maybe Captura is the way to go. Thanks a lot, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.